Hello everybody. Here is another traveler's notebook that I have made. It is available in my Etsy shop, and this one is a sunflower theme. It's absolutely gorgeous papers. It has a fiber closure that just wraps around that brad right there. So this just kind of wraps around one, two, and then you can either go this way or you can go this way, according to how long you want your dangles to hang. I've got three little beaded charms here. This one says handmade with love, and then I've got two little beaded ones. I actually made this one to represent a little, a miniature perfume bottle. Oh, this one too. That was one of my perfume bottles too that I made. So anyway, this has sunflowers, it has butterflies, it has dragonflies. What else could you want, huh? Little, my beaded brad here. It opens like this, and this one has a little flat pin in a pocket that says lovely. It also has a paper clip on the back, so if you wanted to, you can clip that flat pin onto the edge of a page if you wanted to, or you can keep it in its little pocket right here. I have a little altered paper clip here, a little tiny thing, and then that's kind of holding this. It was a giant tag, and he didn't want to stay in there. So this one is full of sketch paper. This is avocado dyed paper. If you've never done avocado dyed paper, it comes out pink. Nobody really knows why yet, but it does. It's so cool. Different papers. I've got old vintage book pages in here. This has some vintage recipes on it. This is my beautiful coffee dyed paper that I did with stencils, some adult coloring pages, some more avocado dyed sketch paper, music paper, coffee dyed paper, and on it goes. Just beautiful stuff. Back here, I put a little tag and an altered paper clip. So that's just a little paper clip on the back, you can see. But it has a sunflower that I made out of two other little sunflowers, and then I just put those brown beads in the middle. And I put it in there so it wouldn't get messed up. So in the back, got another little tuck spot. There's a little skinny tag in there. On the back here, I've got these beautiful dimensional stickers. I've got a pocket here. Inside the pocket is a little mini envelope that you can put things in, a little shaker tag that has sequins and beads and glitter in it, a little miniature tag in the front pocket. I've got these two in the back pocket, a dimensional sticker here, and then this guy lifts up and you've got journaling spaces here for secrets that you don't want anybody else to see. And then on the last page, on the back pocket, I've got another miniature envelope that I have stitched. I like to stitch on wallpaper. It's fun. Another little tag, and then you've got some more journaling space hidden here, and then I put my little stamp in the back. So, and you can see the cute little dragonfly over here. So it closes. Look how pretty that is, guys. I just love, love, love this paper. So this one goes this way, this one goes this way, and then all you do is you take, I've got all these fibers here. You can wrap them front or back. You can go like this, you can go like that, however you want to. And this journal is available in my Etsy shop. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye-bye.